Hi, my name is Devendra and I'm going to talk about our work on neural topological SLAM for visual navigation. Consider an autonomous agent dropped in a new environment and shown a target image to navigate to. In this example, if we show an image of an oven, most humans would use path number 2 as it's leading to the kitchen. Humans use semantic priors and common sense to explore and navigate every day. In this paper, we design a navigation model which can learn about such semantic priors. In our image goal navigation task setup, agent observations and goal images are panoramas, and the objective is to take low-level navigation actions to reach the goal image. The agent also needs to take the stop action when it reaches close to the goal image in order to succeed. We would also like the agent to navigate to sequential goals efficiently, which means if the agent is shown a second goal image after reaching the first one, it should use the episodic experience so far to navigate to the second goal efficiently. The image goal navigation task requires the agent to have a long-term memory, learn state estimation, and use semantic priors to explore efficiently. Learning about all these things implicitly in an end-to-end fashion is extremely expensive. Therefore, prior navigation methods based on end-to-end learning suffer from high sample complexity as well as poor generalization, especially in large environments. Modular metric map based methods, which include both classical robotic systems as well as more recent learning based systems, can be more data efficient. However, they do not have any way to learn about semantic priors, and they suffer from pose error accumulation in large environments as they rely on accurate pose estimations. Instead of using metric maps, we use topological maps to maintain an explicit episodic memory. Topological maps do not suffer from the issues of pose error accumulation as they do not rely on precise pose estimation. In our topological graph representation, nodes denote areas in the physical space, and edges denote the spatial relationship between them. We use two types of nodes: regular nodes, which denote areas already explored, and ghost nodes, which denote areas which are explorable but not explored so far. Each regular node is associated with a panoramic image. Each time the agent adds a regular node to the graph, it also predicts which directions are explorable from that node and adds a ghost node for each explorable direction. We then select a ghost node to explore based on the given goal image. As the agent navigates through the scene, it creates new regular nodes and adds new ghost nodes to the regular nodes. Each time a new node is created, we store the relative position of the new node from the last node. In order to build a topological map and use it efficiently for navigation, we require the model to learn four different functions. The first one, called geometric prediction function, predicts the directions which are explorable in the given panoramic image. We split the image into 12 equal patches and predict whether a patch is explorable or not. The second function, called the semantic score prediction function, predicts the score of every explorable patch to reach a particular goal image. This function is responsible for learning semantic priors. When the goal image is of a living room as shown on the left, the score of the directions in the center should be higher as they lead to the living room. Whereas if the goal image is of a bedroom as shown on the right, the scores corresponding to the pathway on the left should be higher as they are more likely to lead to the bedroom. The third function, called the localization function, predicts whether two images belong to the same node or not. And finally, the fourth function predicts the relative pose between two input images. We design a modular model called Neural Topological SLAM, which uses these four learnable functions to build topological maps and navigate to image goals efficiently. It consists of three components: a graph update module, a global policy, and a local policy. The graph update module builds and updates the topological map as it receives observation. It first tries to localize the current image in the regular nodes existing in the map using the localization function. If the image is not localized, it adds a new node and uses the geometric prediction function to add ghost nodes to this new node. Each time a new node is added, we use the relative pose prediction function to estimate the relative pose of the new node with respect to the last node. The global policy samples sub-goals based on the goal image. It first tries to localize the goal image in the nodes existing in the map using the localization function. If the goal is not localized, it uses the semantic score prediction function to score all the ghost nodes and picks the ghost node with the highest score as the long-term goal. The long-term goal is then converted to a sub-goal using graph path planning. If the goal image is localized in the current node, it uses the relative pose prediction function to get the relative direction of the goal image. Finally, the local policy takes navigational actions to reach the subgoal using local metric maps and analytical path planning. Our formulation allows us to train the complete system using a single supervised learning model to learn all the four functions. It does not require any interaction or reinforcement learning and can be trained completely with static image data. Here we show an example trajectory using the neural topological SLAM model. At the beginning of the episode, the agent creates a regular node at the current location and adds ghost nodes in explorable directions using the geometric prediction function. It then scores the ghost nodes based on the goal image using the semantic score prediction function and selects the ghost node with the highest score. In this case, the goal image is of a living room and the agent correctly chooses the ghost node which leads down the hallway instead of other ghost nodes leading to different bedrooms. As the agent navigates to the ghost node, it creates new nodes when it cannot localize the current image in the previous node. The agent successfully reaches the goal image after creating 4 nodes. Here we show an example which indicates that the model learns semantic priors. Given the same starting location, if we change the goal image in a living room to a goal image in a bedroom, the model correctly picks one of the bedroom ghost nodes as the long-term goal. Quantitative results show that our model outperforms both end-to-end learning as well as modular metric map-based methods on the image goal navigation task. Results indicate that our model better captures semantic priors and is more robust to pose noise as compared to the baselines. Ablation study on sequential goals indicates that the semantic score function improves efficiency in the absence of prior episodic experience, while the topological map improves efficiency as the episodic experience increases. For more details, please visit the project webpage. Thank you for listening. My name is Devendra, and I am happy to answer questions over email.